Hey everyone, today I'm gonna show you how to install iOS 26 developer beta on your any iPhone. So simply at first open your iPhone settings, press on general option, go to software update option, or if you don't get iOS 26, so check my description box and I'm provide how can easily fix not showing iPhone iOS 26. Okay, and just select, go back, and I'm get this option and press on update now. Enter your passcode, press on agree, press on, and it's update request, and you need to just wait some time. Once complete 100%, then your iPhone is restart and you get this feature. So that's it.